This is the PGY Tech necklace mount, specially made for you to get all those point of view shots if you're doing product photography, that kind of thing. So this thing, I know I'm waving it around in front of my face a lot at the moment. This thing, you just pop it around your neck and it simply clips in, clip in here, which is amazing. There's a little button on the back. I'll show you that up close in a second. And it simply comes off. So this is the button at the back here. And you just clip it in there. Now, this is a mount, so you can mount maybe a phone holder. Maybe if you've got a GoPro you want to film with, you can mount your GoPro on here. Ton of different mounts that you can have. So I brought a couple over just to show you guys. So this is just a regular mount. So we just clip it in, and as you can hear that nice little click as it went in, and then there's a button on the front for it to just come out the back, which is amazing. This thing is super sturdy and I love how flexible it is. So if you've got a small neck, you can tighten it up and get nice and tight, or if you've got a larger neck as well, you can keep it nice and open. This is a great thing, like I said, for getting all those point of view shots. If you don't quite have a full overhead setup, this would be a great cheaper option for that. So I highly recommend it, and go and get yourself one.